Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. I wanted to give you guys some behind the scenes images of me creating some of your orders, but I wanted to show you my process. These are the new wood blanks that I have been talking about and have created some beautiful finished pieces with. This is my laser. It's an X Tool M1. Cuts nice and clean. Love it. So I wanted to show you what happens after I get the pieces cut. So you can see the residue on the bottom. I don't always clean my laser immediately after, but I have quite a few orders and I wanted to make sure that there's no delay, so I started cleaning her right away. And a lot of you have different ways of cleaning your laser. This is just me showing one way. This is not how I do it always, but it's a quick, clean, in between cuts. Just because I see a lot of residue and I don't want a lot of smoke. So if you're new to laser cutting, this is how it looks behind the scenes for me. I'll scrape the little bits and pieces to the side and grab some tape instead of picking up the individual pieces. I've done it before and it works, but I got lazy today and wanted to see what happens if I just grab some tape and pull it up all at once. And it works. And I think I'll be doing it like that in between cuts more often. So after I did that, I just went ahead and thrown this tape away. I had way more tape than I really needed, but next time I know. Give it a quick spritz on some wet wipes and with alcohol, and then just wipe it down. I normally will take this apart and do a deep clean, but today I just wanted to do a small, quick clean. And look at that. That's all the residue that I just saw, and I don't want that causing any smoke, and it could cause a flame to flare up too. So safety first, keep your laser clean. So I'm gonna give it another wipe down with another wipe without alcohol. And then right after I do that, yes, the laser is on, but it's in safety mode. So no danger there because I want that alcohol vapor to evaporate. So I take something and I start fanning it just so it'll dry a little bit quicker and quicken my process so I can get back to the orders. The parts that also need cleaning are these triangle rods. You see the residue on here as well. And this stuff is awesome. And that's the name of it, and it is awesome. If you have never used this, if you're a laser owner, I recommend it highly. Mine is watered down. I got it from the Dollar Tree. And if you can see, it starts breaking up that residue right away. I am running low, so all you see is bubbles, but normally I'll have a nice stream of spray just going on, spraying it on there, and I just kind of spray it and saturate it until I see the residue, brown residue, start bubbling up. And watch, you'll see that it's just dripping off. I take a old baby bottle cleaner. I get that from the Dollar Tree. Look at that. It's cleaning it. It's effortless. If I weren't videotaping, it would be a lot quicker because I'd be holding it. But just scrub it off, turn them around and get all the sides. Just make sure that all the residue is off. And then I give it a quick rinse it off. I want to make sure that I get every bit of the chemical, because it is a chemical, the cleaning agent off of the rods. Because again, we don't want anything that has fumes inside the laser so it doesn't flare up, make any flames. When I finish rinsing them off really, really well, I dry them really well, and then I head back over to the laser. Look at that. All the residue is gone. They're nice and dry. And then I go back to the laser and just lay them out the way that I want. Now, the way that I'm laying them is at an angle, And I lay them at an angle because the fan is in the upper right left-hand corner. And I want any smoke to be guided in that direction. Normally they go straight down, but I like to put them at an angle so that the smoke has an easy path to the fan. And once I have them all set the way that I want, I tape up my wood and I lay it on top and get ready to cut. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stop talking right now and let you guys see the process. Thanks for watching, and go create something amazing.